Put your loving hand out, baby, 'cause I'm begging. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, like everything. I walked away, you want me dead, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da. 'Cause I'm begging you. I put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you. I put your love in the hand now, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow all my life was hanging over me. Broken man that I don't know, won't even stand, that never stands to be my soul. Why we doing, why we chasing, why the bottom, why the basement, why we got good, she don't embrace it, why the feel for the need to replace me. You're the wrong way, trying to be good. I went up in the feature town where we could be at. Love your heart in the best way, shit. You can give it away, you have, and you take the face. But I keep walking on, keep moving the dog, keep open for, then the dog is yours, keep also home. Cause I'm the one that lives in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging you to put your love in the hand now, darling. I'm finding hard to hold my own, just can't make it all alone. I'm holding on, I can't fall back. I'm just a call, but your face is black. I'm begging you, put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging you to put your loving hand out. It is what.
A feeding frenzy. So fast.
Absolutely. I want to thank you. Let's give my. Cheers.
This makes you sound like a totally different person. Typical voice changer would sound like this.
It's impressive, but it's not that impressive. It's not AI impressive. Let's click on Bob, for example.
I understand you might be confused right now. Me too. Let me turn on my mic at the same time, and you're gonna realize how wild this is.
So you should hear my normal voice. And this is how it's changing.
Captain, we are being raided.
Permission to go pew pew on the target, sir.
Let them know that they might take our freedom, but they will not take our fables.
Look.